I am so excited to show you these awesome power stations. We have the 2-pack Mia D Power Banks and the Marbero Power Station. What is so great about the Marbero is that if you are in the great outdoors, you still find there are a lot of things you need to charge, whether it's a blow-up bed, which it has the outlet options, your smartwatch, your phone, your tablet, anything. It can do it all. It is easy to charge up, it lasts for days, and it even has an option to have a light, even an SOS light. It is pretty compact for the size and how much power it has. I love the handle. It has such convenient buttons to make sure you can turn on and off specific parts of the power station. Now, the Mia D 2-pack is a great double powerhouse. They can go with you anywhere because they're so small and compact. They can fit in your bag. They're so easy to charge. You can use a micro mini charging cable or a USB-C charging cable to charge them up. They do so well with charging up your tablet or your phone. These are just great power banks. If you love the great outdoors, the Marbero is a great option. Or if you just are running a bunch of errands, the Mia D are also a great option.